Hello, friends and students. How are you doing? It's time again for another YouTube giveaway. This time we'll be giving away Baby Yoda. So, if you want to win Baby Yoda, you need to do a number of things. Subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed. Like this video, and then post a comment saying, if you're a Game of Apps student, a current one, saying what you like most about Game of Apps. If you're a past Game of Apps student, what you liked about your time at Game of Apps. And if you're not a Game of Apps student, then tell us what you know about Game of Apps and if you would like to join Game of Apps. All right, so those are the three things. Subscribe, like, and comment on what you like about Game of Apps. And you can win Baby Yoda. All right, so the deadline for this giveaway will be on Saturday, March 27th. Saturday, March 27th at 11:59 p.m. All right, so don't delay. You could win Baby Yoda. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.